I gotta say, during breakfast today, I was watching your new video. It came out.
Mm-hmm.
For some reason, I about jumped out of my shorts when you did the thing where you paused, zoomed out from the screen, and you're like, all right.
You like that?
Dude, I was not expecting that at all. But I love the way you did it. You're like, all right, I'm going to be honest with you. I was pretty jazzed about this. And
because I watched
so much.
So, okay, so for anybody who hasn't seen my latest video, I do the intro, and then it cuts, and I come and I say, hey, look, everybody, this is future editing Zach here. I was, at this point in the project, I was still really excited about this project and but I didn't know what was in store for me ahead. I didn't know how hard it was going to be, kind of thing. Because I got to the end of the video and I was writing the outro, and then I rewatched the intro and I'm like, man, I'm selling this concept so hard at the beginning. And then I don't know if by the end of the video, if I completely agree with that. So I was like, I better put a little disclaimer in here.
No, I liked it. And we also got a comment from Chris Babick, one of our patrons. He too really enjoyed that and thought it was a very well-placed little item.
Okay, thank you guys. Thank you. Appreciate it.
I found it interesting that the build part of that, not a whole lot to it. And I think that was kind of the magic of the speaker. But it sucked until you spent a tremendous amount of time doing technical tweaking, which I think gets lost in a lot of DIY build things.
Precisely. And that's kind of what I wanted to inject a little bit of realism, because I watched everybody else's video and they're like, it's great. It took me a day to build and it's perfect. And it's don't think that's really the experience most people are going to have with this thing.
So for this new video,
new heat just dropped, fresh content alert. Yeah, the hustle never stopped.
Did you find that to be a successful approach?
How so?
Being straightforward and honest about your results and how it worked out for you versus other people that were oh, this is the greatest thing ever.
I don't know. That's a good question. We'll have to see, in the fullness of time. The video's doing okay. It's not the best video I've ever put out, but it's doing pretty good. But some of the people who really hype this up have, 1 million views on their videos. So we'll see. I think the viewer likes a positive result. So it's always tough to kind of be the guy who kills the dream a little bit.
Yeah.
I think you make a good point though about the whole everybody's watching these videos you say you watch a video of somebody doing a shower remodel or whatever. You want at the end to be this shower turned out perfectly. The client or a wife or spouse, whatever, loved it.
Yeah.
If somebody goes, this shower, it did not turn out well. It's you almost feel like you wasted a half hour because you're well, I mean, now did everything that this guy told me about how to do the shower, is it just all null and void and wrong?
True. And outside of that, I think, I think the way a lot of people find their way, especially for this, where I was building a specific type of speaker, right? Mm-hmm. So I think a lot of people are going to find their way to this video because they heard about this style of speaker. Sure. And then they search for a YouTube video of somebody making it and I think at that point you're kind of looking for confirmation bias. You're I've heard this is cool. I need somebody now to tell me that it's cool. Because when you're thinking about buying something, say you want to buy a car.
Oh yeah.
You're probably gonna you probably watch 10 videos talk about how great the car you bought is before you bought it, right?
You're 1,000% right. And have you noticed during that stage in your product research, if you're already kind of over the tipping point, and you watch a video on a tool or a car or whatever, and then somebody hits you with something negative, you almost you discredit that person.
Yeah.
You're oh, they don't know what they're talking about.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Guy's a hater.
Oh, user error, apparently.
Yeah. Or, even if you don't have a strong emotional reaction to it, you may just tune out and go watch the next video that does give a thumbs up,